like this to go.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. Nice, yeah.
Yeah, dude, that was way out there again. Absolutely. Oh, snapped it and everything. Dang, dude. What? Dinkers out there, though.
Hey, we'll take them all.
Oh, yeah, as long as we just keep catching them. As long as we're not sinking. Oh, yeah, that's a spot. Fish on. But
Not as good as upward.
not
Oh, last year we caught them all sideways.
that up and down game.
I was gonna go down there and hungry.
Oh, land it. Is this a bass boat or is this a walleye boat? I can't reach it.
God damn it, my legs going again.
That water is fucking cold. Holy hell, that water's cold. Another butte, Rainy River. Let's just get this giant back. I knew that first one was a bite. See? Huh? Huh? No, look. Felt the schnib. Missed it. Ate it anyway. But he was hungry for it. Alright. What? Get out of my spot. I mean, could you imagine suckers on a pickerel rig? Shoot. Bobber's down for days. Oh, fish on. Nice. I like your style.
That fucker like didn't even hit it.
Batter one too. Chunky. Oh, go for the boat flip. You can do it. It's a little big.
I know I could do it. We were doing 25ers, dude.
Love it. Favorite rod though I ever had for a spinning reel, but goddamn, snap them easy.
Mm-hmm.
I just snapped my last one last year. I wasn't happy about it. Snapped my favorite catfish rod last year. Snapped that almond bait caster I had, sturgeon fishing last summer. Yeah. And then broke a whitebird spinning reel to tip off it. Yeah. Much lost all my gear last year.
Damn, dude. Legit.
Whoa.
Snagged up, huh?
Maybe, dude.
What? That's a walleye.
Big, too. Give me the net.
Where were you? Right up in there?
Somewhere in there. I didn't even feel it bite.
Just had him.
Just, I mean, it's that easy. Put the jig out there and you just get it.
Huh. That's a bird.
Yeah. What a decent fish. Not huge. It's like almost a skinny male, dude. Dude, I think that thing was milking. Oh,
Yeah, look at my boat.
it's getting just milk.
Oh, what?
Right.
Huh.
What? Yeah, dude, you might as well just put your rod down and get that net.
You're right.
Huh?
Where are you carrying it at? I mean, it must not be too big.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Get the net.
Okay.
Probably my biggest one today.
Biggest one of the week.
Biggest one of the year. Literally.
Literally.
It's not long, but it's just cramming. Is he fat?
Oh, yes.
Another gorgeous. It's probably one of my bigger ones today. Might have got a couple like this, but here's that white boxy. Absolutely destroyed. Seems like white has been the key today. Been playing around with a few other ones, but right there, seems like it's been doing it. So we're gonna keep at it. Hopefully many more like this. Oh, whoa. Fucking dropping rocks, huh?
Sounded like a 30.
That did. It had the weight of a 30. But rack shaft. Holy tree pounder.
Same as last time.
Snap me off. Clean. Shoot, gone. Just like the wind, boys.
I'll get him for you.
Hog 30.
You
All
got
day.
me earlier, I'll get you.
Dude, I felt it too.
Boom.
Tick, tick.
Just follow
dude.
the line. Should be right down that way.
Tick, tick, boom.
Yeah,
Snap
dude.
my uni though? Is that?
Is that normal?
Got excited.
Maya, you set the hook harder than anybody I know. But he knows how to tie uni. Tied up, so it was kind of like a later thing I was gonna do. Damn.
Yeah, did you see that hook set? That's how you set. I'm surprised that didn't break on this fish's face. Get the net. Put your line down.
What?
This is big. I am gonna say it right now. This one is a big. This is definitely one of them keepers. Oh man. It might be upgrade again. Might be another upgrade, dude. They're so fat. They're so fat.
I feel like I'm retired more than fishing the past half hour. Bigger than the break we had earlier fixing the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, mama.
Respawn, fat, healthy, get them back. Oh, easy. Keep the water in the river, not in the boat, eh? Dude,
Let him go, let me catch him.
Yeah, pretty much. Dude, that was another one right when it hit the frickin' water, I swear.
Just right on top.
Dude, his mouth open.
Top water, dude.
I could see it sitting there with his mouth open on the surface.
Top water.
Top water strikes
I'm just gonna
only.
keep them jigs really close.
Mouth. Okay, it was too small to get her down. Damn, that one slammed it too, dude. Oh, jumping like bass, is that what they do out here? Get the net, this one's huge. The big girls always come up and jump. Dude, slaughtered it, let me tell ya. Holy yeah, dude. Give me that net, man. This is a freaking horse, boys. Yeah, we can't do that.
Why not, Nick? You can. Good one? Good one? It's a good one.
It's...
Right? Actually, you just got it. Over here?
Yeah.
You're at the back of the boat. Hit. That's a hog.
Is it?
Yes.
Damn.
Oh, baby.
Doubles.
Doubles.
Dude, move 10 feet, just hammered. We need a net on one. Come on.
Yep.
We need a net on this one,
That
though.
was really small. Yeah. That's a big.
Oh, yeah.
That's the biggest of the day.
Yeah, that's the biggest of the day.
That's the baddest for sure. Right? Left alone. The yellow one. I like it.
Look at the current scene, dude.
Fishing?
I can definitely tell the current's stronger out there.
Yeah, it is. My line's ripping.
Oh yeah, she's dragging her fast out there.
Oh yeah, baby.
Better.
Got him.
Got him.
Not better.
Were you just dragging?
Pretty much.
Pretty much. Just holding her in the current.
We're down. Yard. Went yard with that one.
Come up here, fish. On.
Hooked up. That's another one.
Damn, I'm casting over there.
Hey.
Hey.
Nope.
Hey.
Nope.
Hey.
Nope.
Hey.
Hit the current. Feeling good.
Yeah, current's definitely stronger over here. For sure.
Got her pretty good inside. That's enough.
Oh, that's good. Grab on.
Belly. Oh, belly. Oh, belly trick ain't working. Thank you. It's 2 casts in a row, boys.
No. Good one. One of them toggers there. Choked. Just gone, dude. Can't even see it. Just can't even see it. Dude. Yeah, dude. I can't even see down there. Doesn't get old. I mean, what? Yeah, dude. Straight out textbook Canadian style.
Damn, dude.
What?
Pretty sure those are all fish.
Oh yeah, those are fish. Where's that at? Left side right there? Oh shit. Against the iceberg, baby. Right. Double. Yeah, make it a triple on the males, huh? Triple on the males. Put them fed. Oh, he's just gross, dude. Warts everywhere. Ugh. Decent males?
Damn it. Messed up that triple. Dip it is, dude.
As you can tell, the sun is going down. I think we're gonna call it here shortly. What number are we at?
61.
61 walleyes for the day for the 3 of us. Nothing crazy huge, but we're not complaining. First day back in the boat, walleye fishing for 2022. Hopefully we will have plenty more open water videos on the way. We're gonna stay here to catch a few more. You might see some, you might not, but I think that's gonna be a wrap for us. I think that's gonna do it for us. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of Martial Outdoors. Catch you on the next one.